France 7 Super, runway 22 right, turn left on Alpha, hold short Echo.
7 Super, left on Alpha, we will start Echo. For information, we are able to take off from Foxtrot.
Air France 7 Super, plan full lane. Air France 7 Super, hold short, give way to opposite direction traffic at Kilo Delta.
Give way to the opposite Kilo Delta.
Well, Commerce 563, send the trucks that just hit us at Mike.
Attention all emergency equipment, respond call 32, taxiway Alpha and Mike. Attention all emergency equipment, respond call 32, taxiway Alpha and Mike.
Roll the emergency trucks at Mike. We've been hit by Air France.
And who was that?
Commerce 553.
Comment 553. Okay, we are calling them. Does you require any assistance right away that we need to inform them?
Taxiway Mike.
We are doing that, and is there anything else you need from us?
At Taxiway Alpha.